Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hello, how are you? I'm EmRatThich. A player asked me what is the ribbon on their knee. It's a knee trap. The knee is a much stronger energy connection. This is the ankle. Therefore, knee injury is less common in table tennis. However, knee requires a lot of liquid, so you need to warm up your knee carefully. Tips for reducing knee pain and injuries in table tennis. Knee injuries are common in table tennis. It's important to take precautions to minimize the risk. Here are some tips. Warm up properly before playing. It's crucial to warm up before any exercise that involves vigorous movement, including table tennis. Low impact exercises can help increase your heart rate and promote better circulation to your muscles. This in turn allows your muscles to contract more efficiently. Warming up also helps your joints release more synovial fluid, which is a lubricant that allows your bones to slide smoothly against each other. Focus on warming up your quads and hamstrings to reduce the risk of knee injuries. Wear a knee strap. The patella is a small bone that sits in front of your knee and should move smoothly over your femur. However, constant high-impact movement can cause the muscles and the ligaments surrounding this bone to weaken, leading to pain and irritation. Wearing a knee strap right below your patella can help keep it in the ideal position while you play, relieving stress off your tendons and ligaments. Well, I have a long article on PingSunday. You can read it here.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.